Hello friends, welcome back to Chef the Soul TV News. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment on the section down below. So guys, la video engizoshare nani le enezigebengu egqoke kodwa uniform yamaphoyisa. We don't know ukuthi le uniform bayithola kanjani because I found this post on Facebook posted by Umandla Chris. On our followers ayinqwaba ngempela ke lapha. If you can go to Facebook and search for him, lo nama followers amaningi because sebebaningi ngibabonile lapha ama page nje ahlukene azama ukwenza lento eyenziwa uMandla Chris. Abanye babo ke bamaqola nikugade lokho, right? Nathi ke sikhona lapha ke ku Facebook ofethu ipage lethu ke Chef the Soul, Chef the Soul TV News on Facebook. So guys, la umbuzo uthi ke engabe izigebengu ziyithathaphi i-uniform yamaphoyisa. But then ke before siqhubeke bafethu ke nalo lolu daba ake siyibuke kancane le video epostiwe lapha. Lo urelaxile akutatazelwa la yabo, bekwaziwa ukuthi kuzokwenziwani, kusho bavulile nabo ngokwethemba lokuthi bavulela amaphoyisa, but then ke only to find out ukuthi zizokhala ngenye indlela. Buke nje lama tray imali nje asazophuma la one by one. One by one. Omunye lapha kwe-comment section uthi ayikhona ubanda uKing Zoso, uthi ayikhona zibanjwa ke ingalo yomthetho, and futhi ke iyonqwa, kodwa ke ngathi ingalo yomthetho esesandleni sokunxele, ethatha ngesandla sokunxele. Ngiyona nje lesiyazi ukuthi ingalo yomthetho yenza nje akutatazelwe, kurelaxwe kakhulu. Abanye bayabuza ukuthi izela afika kanjani lapha, ngoba phela uyabona ukuthi ke indawo yesitolo lethi private property, engabe supermarket noma yini le, but then it looks like a supermarket because uyabona ukuthi lezi tshalo ezisuka emathilini, lezi tshalo lidlule laze lazofika lana nje kanjani, bekunakelephi, yabo. Lento yenza sibuye sisole ukuthi there are some people abasebenzisana nayo le genge la khona ngaphakathi ey'tolo. Uthi omunye isikibha lapha emqaleni esimhlophe, mhlawumbe niyabona leli phoyisa lapha, isikibha esimhlophe lesesivela la naso nje, kumele ngabe-ke sibanikeze nje ezinye iy'nsolo, kodwa-ke phela unganaki ngenxa yokubona i-uniform. Kulula nje because amaphoyisa nabo bayakwazi ukwagebenga. That means ne-uniform le bayithatha bona amaphoyisa. If ever bengayithatha emaphoyiseni lawa ayizigebengu, bayithatha kwemaphoyiseni by force, njengazi ibhamu bayiphutha wona amaphoyisa. Abanye-ke ba-assume ukuthi abangani babo nani. Yabo. So injalo ke mfethu, injalo indaba. Akusitshele mfethu ukuthi wena ke ngokwakho, what do you think ngale video? Do you think mhlambe khona ke ngizothi yini, khona lento abayibiza umsebenzi wangaphakathi lo, ukuthi ke khona abangaphakathi mhlawumbe abakhipha ulayini yabo khona yini ulayini abawutholile la ngaphakathi ukuthi ke mhlambe mfethu nifike ngosuku ukuthi kuzobe kanje then bayiplanile nje lento yabo bayiqede because you don't know ukuthi bafika kanjani ngempela lapha nabantu without being even warned by ama security, because ama security kumele nje nawo ahlale la asheshe ukubona ukuthi no kusinga leyo mthetho le. But then again bafethu ke, you tell me on the comment section down below, what do you think? Yini ke eyenza ukuthi ke abantu bagcine ke bekwazi ukuyingenela ngale ndlela even without being recognized ukuthi bayizegebengu besides nje indaba ye uniform, mhlawumbe iphe indlela bebengakwazi ukuthi bebonakale ngayo ukuthi I know laba akubona abantu bomthetho. Do comment on the section down below. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel. Danko.